Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Glutathione is a natural antioxidant made of 3 amino acids produced in the liver that supports cellular detoxification and can influence melanin production. Oral glutathione supplements typically come in doses from 250 mg to 1,000 mg per day. Higher intravenous uses exist but carry more risk. For skin lightening, mechanisms include inhibiting tyrosinase and shifting eumelanin toward pheomelanin, but responses vary by genetics, baseline pigmentation, and overall health. Expect gradual changes and always weigh benefits versus safety. Begin with a conservative oral dose of 250 mg to 500 mg daily and allow at least 4 weeks to assess skin and systemic response. Keep a symptom diary. If tolerated, some people increase toward 1,000 mg daily under medical supervision, but do not exceed recommended product limits without clinician guidance. Avoid intravenous glutathione outside licensed medical settings because Roman IV administration carries infection, dosing, and adulteration risks. Pregnant or breastfeeding people and those on chemotherapy or immunosuppressants should consult their clinician first. Track progress with photos and note changes every 2 weeks. Expect measurable change only after at least 4 weeks and sometimes up to 3 months. Monitor for adverse effects such as rash, gastrointestinal upset, or breathing difficulty and discontinue supplement and seek care if severe symptoms occur. Combine oral glutathione with sun protection, SPF 30+, and topical antioxidants like vitamin C to support results while maintaining skin health. Always use products from reputable sources and review interactions with your clinician to reduce risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.